that time of the year when we're all running around shopping, going to holiday parties, and are always on the go. But when I get to stay in on a chilly winter night, yes, we also have those in LA, I snuggle up with a cinnamon graham coffee. It tastes like the holidays. So to make the drink, we first place 3 small Ninja scoops of ground coffee in the brew basket. 1, 2, 3. Then get your cup, put a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of molasses, some honey to taste, whatever you want. Then you're gonna place the cup in the machine and you're gonna select extra large cup. It's already selected here, and then you're gonna press classic brew. And now for the topping. Mix 2 tablespoons of marshmallow topping with a 1/4 cup of 50/50 and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Microwave all of this for 30 seconds. After it's done in the microwave, froth this mixture using the built-in frother. Ooh, that's perfect. Then you're going to pour the mixture on top of your coffee. Ooh. And then you're gonna garnish with some crushed cinnamon graham crackers. Bye. Amazing. You can enjoy it on your own or share it with someone else if you have someone else. If not, it's better on your own. It's really good.